Good morning, children. Now today we are going to do marigold. Huh? All of you open page 116. Hi. Now see, it is about travels. Travels means from one place to other place we go. एक जगह થી બીજી જગ્યાએ જઈએ ને. That is travel. Okay. Now when a person tells the story of his life in his own words, it is called an autobiography. Huh? You tell your story in your words. પોતાની વાત પોતાની લેંગ્વેજમાં when we tell somebody એને કહેવાય autobiography. Gulliver, a sailor, was once caught in the land of giants. Now Gulliver was a sailor. Sailor means દરિયામાં જાય. Okay? So he is caught. ક્યાં પકડાય છે? In the land of giants. Giants means રાક્ષસો. રાક્ષસો પાસે પકડાઈ જાય છે. This is how he describes his experience. Now this who is speaking? Gulliver is speaking. Okay? Now what is this here? This one is the giant. This is Gulliver. No. Now see, on the 16th of June 1730, we discovered land. So they were in the sea, દરિયામાં હતા. And then on 16th June 1730, they discovered land. That means they found land. એ લોકોને જમીન દેખાણી. Our captain sent a dozen men with vessels for water, if any could be found. The captain sent dozens of men. Go and find out water. When we came to land, we saw no river. There was no river or spring, nor any inhabitants. There was no water, nothing. And there were no inhabitants, means nobody was living there. कोई रहतु भी नतु क्या. Okay? I went on to explore. I went on to see what is there. Okay? The country was barren and rocky. Country was barren. Barren means no water, all everywhere sand. Nothing is growing there. કાઈ ઉગતું भी નથી. Huh? So what he did? And rocky ચારે બાજુ rocks, પથરા everywhere. I turned back to join the crew. So I went back to join the crew. Crew means the people who are on the ship. જે વાણમાં જે લોકો હોય એને crew કહેવાય. Okay? Only to see them getting into the boat and rowing for life to get to the ship. All are in the boat and they are going fast here to catch the ship. Ship, it is steamer. Ship ne pakadva, વાણ ને. Before I could reach them, even Gulliver wanted to go, but he could not reach. He પહોંચી શકતો નથી. I observed a huge creature, big person is one, walking after them in the sea. That person is walking, ચાલે છે, in the sea as fast as he could. He is walking in the sea, દરિયામાં ચાલે છે. The water of the ocean reached only till his knees. પાણી ક્યાં સુધી પહોંચે છે? એના ની સુધી. Till here. Okay? The water, yeah. However, the monster was unable to overtake the speeding boat. The boat was going very fast. So this monster means Rakshas, he could not catch. Okay? So what happened? I turned back quickly and climbed up a steep hill with fields. So he went back. Gulliver went back and he climbed one tree. On one hill he climbed. एक पहाड़ ऊपर चढ़ गया. What did he see there? With fields of barley on either side and the corn rising up to 40 feet. There was corn. Corn એટલે મકાઈ. Everywhere there in the field there is maize. Then what happens? There was a fence to pass from one field to the other. From one field to other, if they want to go, there was a fence. Now page 117. It was impossible for me to climb because every step was 6 feet high. Steps were very big, 6 feet high. I was trying to find a gap in the hedge when I discovered one of the inhabitants in the next field. I was trying કે હેજમાંથી એ જે જાળી હતી, from there I should go inside because he is not able to climb the steps. એનાથી પગથિયા ચડાતા નથી. Okay, so in there what he saw one person in the next field. He was of the same size as the creature chasing the boat. He was also very big. Huh? So I was struck with utmost fear and astonishment. I was afraid, and astonishment means surprised also, and ran to hide myself. And I ran very fast. Why? I wanted to hide myself. I was afraid. છુપાવા માટે જાય છે. Okay. He called in a voice much louder than a trumpet. Oh, જોરથી બોલે છે. What he says? It sounded like thunder. Thunder, જાણે વીજળી અવાજ આવે ને, that he sounding like that. 7 monsters like him came towards the field. Other 7 also came, ready to reap the corn. Ready to reap the corn. Corn એટલે જે તૈયાર પાક હતો, that they wanted to reap. They wanted to cut. They carried a reaping hook which was very big. Cut કરવા માટે it was very big. One of the reapers approached where I lay hidden. Now where he was hidden, jai છુપાયો હતો, there one of the giant came to cut the corn. So I screamed as loud as I could. I screamed, મેં જોરથી બૂમ પાડી. Okay. The creature stopped reaping, picked me up between his thumb. Arya, this is Gulliver. He picked him up in his thumb, okay, and forefinger, and brought me close to his eyes and brought me like this. Kya kon che su che? Yeah. And close to his eyes, 60 feet above the ground, 60 feet up. The giant was so huge, 60 feet no. Huh? He looked at me with curiosity and blew my hair aside to get a better view of my face. So, all the hair went back. And then he's looking, kya kon che? He called his friends and gently placed me on the ground. Slowly he put me on the ground. They all sat on the ground to take a good look at me. All the giants sat round and they were looking at me. I walked slowly backward and forward. I was afraid. I walked backward, again forward. I pulled off my hat and made a low bow. I pulled off my hat and bow કરે છે, નમે છે, towards the farmers. I tried to speak to them loudly in several languages. જુદી જુદી ભાષામાં he is trying to speak. Each time I did so, the farmer who picked me up held his ear very close to me, but in vain. Because what Gulliver is speaking, they can't hear. Gulliver આવડો છે. Giant is so big. The farmer took me to his house and placed me at some distance on the dining table, which was 30 feet high from the floor. Now that farmer, he took Gulliver to his house, and ઘરે લઈ જાય છે Gulliver. And the table, dining table was 30 feet high. એના ઉપર બેસાડી દે છે. Okay, sitting on it. Dinner was brought for the farmer in a dish which was 10 feet in diameter. 10 feet મોટી થાળીના અંદર એનું ખાવાનું આવે છે. Food is there. Okay. The farmer's wife crumbled some bread and placed it before me. Farmer's wife bread લઈ આવે છે, and she is giving it to Gulliver. In the middle of the dinner, I heard a noise behind me. I heard one noise. અવાજ સાંભળ્યો. What noise? Of a cat. It was the purring of a cat that was 10 times larger than an ox. Ox એટલે અને બળદ કરતા મોટી તો કેટ હતી. કેટલી મોટી? 10 times big. So big cat. Okay. The farmer's wife was stroking him. Farmer's wife એને હાથ ફરાવે છે, સ્ટ્રોક કરે છે. Then entered the farmer's 1-year-old son. 1-year-old son in the arms of a lady. એક લેડીના હાથમાં હતો. On seeing me, the child grabbed me from the table and put my head into his mouth. He grabbed me, table ઉપરથી મને લઈ, and then farmer's son is trying to eat me. I shouted so loudly that the baby dropped me. So loudly Gulliver shouted that baby of 1 year dropped him. I would have broken my neck If the mother had not held her apron under me, mother apron પકડ્યું આમ, and I fell in the apron. Later she put me on her own bed. Later she put me on her own bed. In a bed and covered me with a clean white handkerchief. With one clean white handkerchief. આપણે ચાદર ઓઢીએ ને, that she put a handkerchief. I slept dreaming of my home, my wife and my children. Okay, adapted from Jonathan Swift's Gulliver Travels. Okay, this lesson is completed. I'll be sending you PDF. Okay children, bye.